What's up, y'all? Welcome back. I am Ruthie, and this is Unique Nails by Ruthie, and I am bringing y'all a Watch Me Work video. So, I don't know, not really much has been going on with me lately, but I know y'all probably are like, what are you talking about? You took your test, and how did it go? And, well, I have bad news. I failed. Yeah, I know. I'm more upset about it than y'all are. But you know what? I'm gonna take it again and we're gonna pass it this time. So we're gonna stay positive. I'm not gonna let that bring me down. But I was sorry that I did not pass. So, things happen. It is what it is. Gonna try again. You will. I will prevail. I dropped it. Did y'all see that? So just sit back, relax, watch me work, and I will be in and out. I just had to hop in here, y'all, because I am about to be struggling trying to get this piece of my left leg off the top of my nail. Oh my God. It took me forever to get this thing off. Look. Like, wait, that wasn't it. It's going to come a time where it's a big piece. Jump the gun, y'all. But anyways, while I have you here, I have been seeing everybody with these super scoops, and I did not know about these super scoops. I'm actually sorry that I did not know that super scoops was happening, because that's something that I am interested in. I have to show y'all my little nail studio setup, because I finally got these polish racks that I got on my wall. So I have to show y'all. Do a little mini nail tour. Show y'all my setup. But yeah, back to the video. Before we got up out of here, I just wanted to let y'all know this is a application only video, so it's not gonna be any filing or shaping or anything of that nature. I thought I'd spare y'all of that. Excuse my smoke detector. I changed it, but it keeps on off, so I know that's ghetto. But anyways, so I just wanted to hop in here and let y'all know that it's just gonna only be the application part only. I am going to upload the finished